Stop by and take a look at 2006 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cloth seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.